We are on the Adventure of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. Gonna go to the beach today, 7 Mile Beach, where the water is bath water. You'll see. I'm sure you've seen it in our previous videos. We just love this place. People are amazing. Water is amazing. Just a cool place to be. Let's go see what the girls are. Oh, there's one of the girls. Hi, girl. What are you doing? You ready to go to the beach? Yeah? Let's go see what Mama's doing. What's she doing? She getting ready?
She's doing makeup on.
Makeup on? Yeah. Oh, we gotta get your sand toys. Get the ducks.
I'm not touching.
What's up, girls?
Hey, that's me. I was at the port.
Oh, it's still dripping. All sorts of water in this thing.
My dad.
I love you very much. It's a strawberry hand.
It's upside down.
Watermelon.
It's
Watermelon.
watermelon. It was upside down.
That's cool.
Her name is
Good job, little Cece.
Actually, she put upside down.
Yeah. Mama in her hot pink turtle shirt. Hot mama in a hot pink shirt.
Daddy's shirt is real big.
Here comes the Nana. Let's go say hi to Nana. Nana. Good morning, Nana. You ready to go to the beach?
Yep.
All right. She's ready.
They're gonna love to see me blowing my nose.
She's ready. Our channel is real. We don't care about what people love to see. They get to see what they get to see because we're real. We show everything, except for when we're yelling at Addie for being bad. We cut that out sometimes.
Me too. Me too.
Your mom is crazy. I wish your mom was like this at home. She's only crazy on now she's showing herself off, you jickus.
What are you doing, Lizzie? That's only for Mama. Silly girl.
All right,
I gotta blow my nose.
you ready to go?
Oh shoot! I gotta get my driver's license out of this thing.
You ready to go? You want to sign off so we can go to the next scene?
No.
Sign off.
No. No.
Sweet journeys.
No. No.
Next stop, Tinder stations. Bye.
No.
I need you to be in front of me so I can watch you. Remember, you stay between Mama and Dada? Oh no, I don't have sunglasses. Your gray bag somewhere? Okay. Well, I can go look for them. Let's go get you set down for a minute.
Yeah, can have a seat inside. Want some? There's a seat inside. Yeah, or you can sit here.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, time to go get back. Go back and get sunglasses. That's a cool lion. I like the theme on this boat.
Deck 10. Deck 5.
Give me 1 second before we go to make sure we have tender ready.
Dad, me too. I can do that on my back too. I can put one on my back too. Dad, I like singing. Let's go.
Hey, to our Tinder station. We are following our concierge. Here's our guy, Song Jun. You want to get a towel?
Tower is a tower station.
Downstairs? Okay. Good. Thank you. Thanks for your help today. Thanks for your help today.
I'm so glad there's a tender only do once per month.
Oh.
Yeah, so we have a lot of issue about tender operations. It's not going very smooth.
Uh-oh.
Are you going down?
No.
Okay.
Deck 2.
This one?
Then you have them. Yeah, okay, so follow me.
Tell us to
What, baby? Yeah, we're gonna get a towel. Hello.
Hi, your tickets?
No, they are with me.
Oh,
Let's go get the tower first.
Okay.
Come with me.
How many towels you want?
Just bring 4. Just bring 4.
She said she doesn't want one. We'll probably just take 2.
Oh, no. So, how this way? Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, we'll get you a towel and then we'll have 1 extra.
I'm sorry, they didn't sell tower station here today.
okay. We'll be all right.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. Thanks.
We'll drip dry. We'll have to end early so we can dry out before we get to exit.
5 p.m. last attendant.
We have to have our ID out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you later. Thank you.
We didn't have to have it. I said your card. Oh my God. You don't need your driver's license. You need your card. I can't get it up.
You have to stay here.
Watch your step, guys.
Wanna go on a beach? You wanna go to a beach? I wanna go to a beach. You wanna go to a beach? You wanna go to a beach?
Yes.
Let's go.
Watch yourstep, guys.
She's growing. I said,
Yeah, she's a big girl.
Like, I don't need a
Well, this is the port of Grand Cayman. We're walking out to the street to get a taxi.
You gonna pull over? Yeah.
He has to get out of the way.
I'm waving at him way back there. I don't know why he's taking me over.
This is a pretty flower. It's pretty. So are these.
Okay.
Come on, baby. Hold my hand. Oh, almost got hit.
The road. Oh my God.
Look at all the flowers. Lots of flowers.
I don't know. What do you want to do?
Get a chair with an umbrella.
2 chairs with an umbrella. All right, you got the money. Yeah, just give me 25. You can get it. 2 chairs, 1 umbrella. I'm in the ocean most of the time. And you guys that needs. I'm gonna need one of you to wear this band because it just acts as a receipt and it's waterproof. Don't worry about getting it wet. All right. Can you give her the money? Oh, it's in there. You have a 5? Okay. Yeah, you see it there? Yeah. That's where you're going. Okay. Yeah. Tell them that Mia sent you. Mia? Okay. Thank you. No problem.
We'll get free samples of food, guys, when you're ready to eat. Jerk chicken and Look
at the chickens.
Coconut water.
You see them? There's some babies over there too. I think they want you to feed them.
Oh my god, I can't even get in the water. I'm freaking sweating. Addie, don't take you're not gonna want to take your shoes off, baby. The sand is hot.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna put the string with run in front of me. There you go. Okay, now put it. Now put it.
Well, we just finished the beach, but we didn't really take any videos because this little one was being real bad, weren't you, little one? Were you being real bad? Yes, you were. You were nuts. You were crazy. You were insane. You were out of your body.
What's that?
So no videos, but we had a great time.
Oh, you have to pay for that.
In the bath water.
You have water right here.
Now we're going to get back on the bus and go back to the ship.
Oh.
You ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go. She finally settled down, ate some rice. So thank you for eating and calming down. You're a good girl. Most of the time. Okay, sign off.
Bye.
You have fun today? What's your favorite part? Getting in the water?
Yeah, so I'm looking for the falls right now.
You going boat? Yeah, we're gonna go boat right now. There's Mama and Nana over there across the street. It's almost our turn. Okay, let's go, come on. What's up, girls?
What is that? I had to stop and get his camera.
Yeah, I haven't taken very many videos. You want to go
Your
shop?
driver's license out.
Any shopping at all or no?
You can walk around inside if you want.
What do you want to look at?
Somewhere I can get a Coke Zero. We'll go back to the ship. Thirsty. Come on, then, Sissy. Let's go back to the ship. What do you think about that water? Is that pretty water?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Mama, you like the water?
Yeah. Pretty.
Nana, you like the water?
Yes, it's gorgeous.
And we're on our way back.
Fast.
We're going so fast. Not really. But there's our ship. It looks a lot closer in real life than it is on this camera. They're sleepy.
Yeah,